Proper handling of cooled or frozen containers ensures the quality of the adhesive as well as the reproducibility of the dispensing process. This video demonstrates the conditioning process by means of small cartridges, large cartridges and 1-liter containers. Adhesive containers, whether cartridges or bottles, can react sensitively to temperatures. Therefore, it is important to conduct the conditioning process correctly. Please note that sunlight also warms up cartridges and bottles. Heavy impacts can damage containers as well. This leads to the formation of bubbles and flaking inside the adhesive. We recommend that dropped containers are not used for dispensing in automatic systems. Please open our packages carefully to avoid damages to our products inside. Frozen shipments are packed in styrofoam boxes. They come with a temperature logger that records the temperature throughout the entire delivery chain. You can find the instructions on our website. Please note that you need to put the container box into an appropriate cooling system immediately after opening the shipping carton. This prevents unwanted temperature differences in the containers. How to store the containers can be found on the shipment. Here, the storage temperature is essential. This may be different from the transport temperature. Therefore, please store the adhesive containers in the container box at the specified temperature for at least 4 hours. While working with adhesives, we recommend wearing protective clothing. Then remove the containers from refrigeration for conditioning to room temperature. Please do not grab the containers with the whole hand to prevent local thawing due to the warmth of your hand. A temperature difference can cause the warmed plastic siding to separate from the still frozen adhesive. This may cause an air gap. As a result, bubbles may form in the adhesive during dispensing. Always hold the container at the very end. Now place the container in a suitable holder with the tip pointing downwards. Please refer to the technical datasheet for specific adhesive conditioning times. When conditioning large cartridges, please proceed exactly as with small cartridges. If your products are packed in a blister, please do not open it right after taking them out of the refrigerator or freezer. Please hold the blistered products only at the very end, as local thawing of the adhesive can be the result here as well. Blistered products are humidity sensitive. By conditioning them in the blister, you avoid the formation of condensation on the container. After conditioning, you can open the blister. Be sure to open the blister at the top end to avoid damages to the container inside. If you use adhesives in 1-liter containers, you may have to tumble them for conditioning. For this step, we recommend using an appropriate device. Please refer to the technical datasheet for detailed information about the tumbling process. The adhesive is now ready for use. If you have any questions about conditioning, our customer service will be happy to help.